Hi, in this video, we will go over how to edit the mobile version of your website in ShowIt. Now, because you are starting from a designed template, the mobile version of the site should be pre-formatted for you. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will focus solely on the mobile view. You can switch to the mobile view by clicking on the Show Mobile Only icon. Once you're in there, here's how to make adjustments to the mobile design. Now, as covered in the previous videos, this is a text box and these are your buttons. You can double click on a text box and Control A or Command A on Mac, and you can select all of the text within that text box. You can press backspace and type in your text. So that is how you make changes to the text box. Below that, we're going to see how you can change the text of your button. So it basically works the same way. You can click on this, double click on the text box, Control or Command A, backspace, and change the button text like this. The next thing we're going to look at is the mobile menu. So if you scroll right up to your page, you will see there is a menu. This is the mobile menu. You can click on Edit Mobile Nav, and then you can click on the home tag, and you can change this to your preference. Depending on the number of pages and the different kinds of pages that you will have on your website, you can change this menu accordingly. And then you can click on the box and go over to the click actions on the right hand side of your ShowIt builder, and then over here you can select page and then link it to the page where you want to link the menu item to. It is always recommended to keep readability at its optimum for mobile devices. So we always recommend a body font size of a minimum 14 pixels. The best readability comes at 16 pixels, so we want to change that range from 14 pixels to 16 pixels. Now, placing an image on mobile is also pretty straightforward. If you want to place an image, for example, on this canvas, you can increase the height of the canvas first like this. Go over to the picture icon right here on the bottom of your ShowIt builder. Click on it, select an image, and then you can add it to the page. Now, please note that whenever you add an image, it is always added to the center of the canvas positionally. So you'll need to drag it down and place your image like this and make changes to the height of the canvas accordingly. If you want to make this image be visible only on mobile, you can go to your left hand side and under the About canvas right here for the graphic. Once you click on this image, the graphic will be highlighted in blue. You can click on this desktop icon so that this is not highlighted anymore. This will make it visible only for mobile. And for desktop, you can always do the vice versa. You can click on the mobile icon right here, make it not highlighted, and then click on the desktop icon that will show it on the desktop. I'm just going to go ahead and roll back the change. Now, in order to place a video background on mobile, what you can do is click on the canvas first. On your right hand side, you can go over to canvas background, and for the media type, you can select video. For now, it is merged with desktop, so the desktop and mobile will have the same background. But if you want to have a different video for mobile, you can click on media type. That will now separate the desktop and the mobile, and you can select a different video to place on mobile. If you want to have the same video background for desktop and mobile, you can now click on media type and merge using mobile. So it will select the same video for desktop and mobile as the background. Now, in order to preview your changes on mobile, you can simply go ahead and click on preview. And now that you are on the mobile only view, the preview window will switch to mobile. You can always toggle it between mobile and desktop from this section right here. You can click on desktop to show desktop, and then you can click on mobile to preview mobile. While this gives you a great overview of how your website would look on a mobile device, it is always a good idea to actually check it on a real mobile device. In the video description below, we have included a very handy guide from ShowIt on mobile layout assistance, so do check that out. In the next video, we'll be covering how to update this before and after section right here on your template. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.